Hi there, it's Shell. Today is Monday. Sorry I have not updated anything that's going on, but that's what I'm here for today. We had snow last night. Yes, snow. So funny, I wrote Betty. She's my dear friend in Florida. Like, we're supposed to have snow tonight. Yeah, we got about an inch. Not unusual for us. So, hummingbirds are at their feeders and there's snow on them. Let me see. I don't know if I have a picture. I tried to take it on this one and it's not like the best picture. Just to kind of show you that, you know, there's snow there. There's a hummingbird. And there's kind of some snow there, and of course you can see it kind of in the back. Snow. Yeah. I don't mind snow this time of year because it, melts really quick. It doesn't slow down our work or anything. Let's see. Update is I'm putting off the surgery because we no longer have insurance because we made too much money last year. So we're in the process of trying to get insurance before I have the surgery. So please pray for us because we'll be talking to a couple of people, a few people, geez, this afternoon. So we're trying to get insurance before we have the surgery. So it might be a couple months before I have it. We think that's for the best. So we're making pretty good money right now, so hopefully it'll all work out and we can come up with a deductible or whatever. Whatever is going to be better than nothing. And they didn't say it was like, it's got to be done right now. And I was thinking, you know, I've lived with it for what, on and off, I mean, since I had my hysterectomy. If you don't know, I have a giant cyst on my ovary, so I need to go in and have all of that removed. So just pray for us. I've been under a lot of stress, though my dear friend Leslie, I just love you. She brightens my days. And that's why I have this, because I want to show you what, I tell you, just when I'm like at my lowest, I get a package. My love language is receiving gifts. I know that's horrible, but it just makes me think that people are thinking of me. So even if it's a card or something, and when I'm at my absolute lowest, I've been getting packages from from Leslie, and it was hard. I did get to talk to her on Messenger this last week, and her son are so sweet. Sorry. So I got some more wax seals. It will take me forever to use all these, but we're going to use them in the journal. But yeah, if you guys can just keep us under your prayers. What have I been doing this week? I made, it's inside. I made 2 more boxes. I told Clint, you're going to get tired of boxes, because I figure I need a box, so maybe he would need a box. And this is from Cartonage. It's like Carton Age, A-G-E. And I'm a member of that group. It's like 20 bucks a month. But I have everything to make boxes. So that is what I was doing. Made Clint one. I made these really cute spools into the handle. These are sliding ones. And I kind of matched the thread with the flower. So you guys have to let me know if you think you would want one. I don't know. I'd have to sell it probably for 20 or 30 bucks. I don't know how much I would sell it for, and plus, you know, to go in the shipping and all that. But they're fun. But I am going to create my own. I need one that's a little bit longer, because for scissors, Clint wanted to put his scissors in it, and it's too short. But I think I can readjust. You guys know, I can readjust and come up with my own design, which I could, and then show you guys, you know. Okay, so let me show you what's in here. But isn't that fun? I just had so much fun with that. But I finished it up. This is something I can kind of do in the house because all you need is glue and fabric after you have all the pieces. So, Leslie sent me some stuff. Uh-oh, that needs to go back in the inside. But I got the spools. I did Clemson Brown because his is a chicken one. He's like, I don't know if I need any more boxes. Okay, and then Leslie sent me some stuff. You know what? I'm going to grab my thing, my charm containers, and we're going to put all this up instead of just piling it to the side. So I'll be right back. Oh yeah, we've just been under stress this week, but we did get to go and see last Tuesday Asleep at the Wheel. It was fine. You know, it was just, Clint's not used to concerts. You know, they just stood up there and sang. And I'm used to more, I guess we always kind of went to more showy concerts. Well, this guy's old. And I loved that most people that were there were older. And kind of like our age or older. So it was kind of fun to go, but man, we were so tired. I was going to do an update on Thursday, and we didn't get home. Let's see, I woke up at 3 o'clock that morning, Tuesday morning. I didn't get home till 10 Tuesday night. So look at these, aren't these cute? Leslie, I'm thinking about eating grapes with them or something. I wonder if they're food safe. Clint said it can't hurt you. But these are so cute. I do have a pair of tweezers. They're called food safe tweezers or something that you can eat. And they're green, but you can eat chips and stuff without getting your hands. Clint laughs at me when I use them. But you know, if you're crocheting or something, then you don't want to get like Cheeto dust on your, I don't eat Cheetos, but you know, on your thing. But wouldn't those be fun? I can just see a grape like right in the center of that. Come here, little circle. Okay, but these are the ones I was talking about. I'm so excited, Leslie. I love these so much. They're just little hands. But for like embossing and stuff, if you have, I should emboss, shouldn't I? I should do more stuff. But if you're embossing and you have, you know, your hot heat gun, it's really good to hold that, and it's a little bit more sturdy. Those are so cute. Okay, so that's from Leslie. Let's see what else Leslie gifted me. She's been getting that stuff off Temu. I don't really shop on Temu, but I love their stuff. I really don't shop that much, though I did buy me some new tennis shoes because mine were pretty bad and pretty dangerous. So, kitty cats. Ah, Leslie, I just love them. So cute. We still haven't seen the kitten either. If Mama has the kitten, you know. If I don't put them up right away, then they just don't get put up very quickly. So it's just best to put things up as I go. Kitty cats in mugs. Those would be fun to draw. I'm having fun drawing too, by the way. Almost 2 years solid drawing. I mean, drawing every single day. I have not skipped a day. So those are adorable. Leslie spools me rotten. But yeah, it's just been hard, you know. But it is what it is. These are hummingbirds, which we love. As you remember, I just showed you the hummingbird picture. They're little hummingbirds. Where shall I put them? I might can put been using some of this stuff, so I can condense. And here's some flowers. These are like my favorite. They're kind of sunflowers, but they could kind of be like Gerber daisies, which Gerbers are my absolute favorite. I fell in love with Gerber. If you don't know them, they're Gerbera, Gerbera daisies, if you're not familiar with them. But I fell in love with them when I was doing florals. I used to be a florist for about a year, and I loved it. But all the colors made me think of God, because they have like blue and all these beautiful colors, you know. It's kind of chilly out here. And then these, which I needed more. Hope, imagine, dream, dream, imagine. Is that all of them? Hope, and oh, dream, believe. That's a new one. Beautiful, awe. These are perfect. She must have seen when I used all those ones. I used like a what was I doing on that one? Oh yeah, I was making charms. Blessed. Believe. Hope. Hope. So that's probably all of them. There's faith. Dream. Oh, I thought that said break. It didn't. It said dream. Inspire. Yeah. She keeps me stocked up well, doesn't she? She's such a sweetheart. Okay, this is, I think this, I had a stray turtle on the floor in the house. I think it came from here. And I love these containers. I'll try to link these below. Boy, she just set me up. Oh, those are two little geese or swans loving on each other. I don't know if you can even see that. Seahorse. Shells. That's one thing we don't have around here is this, the ocean. That's a shrimp. I love it. I was watching, I don't know how I was watching it on Facebook or something. And this girl did a meal, not a meal, but like a appetizer thing, and she didn't put the shrimp in it. She put the head of the shrimp. That's what she served, because she knows a lot of people who just like to suck the head of the shrimp, and they kind of thought she was kind of weird. Oh, my niece loves frogs. Haven't talked to her in a long time, but my best friend's gone by the wayside, but her daughter. So yeah, those were so fun, Leslie. So yeah, my turtle will go in there. And then I got this, and I'm thinking, Clint and I were discussing about what it is. I think it's one of those, is it a non-slip mat? I think it's what it is. I bought a package of them because, you know, the cats, they were just plain old mats. I'm going to try it. Let's see. But you just put it down, and whatever you put on it is kind of hard. Probably not that, but it just doesn't really move. I think that's what that is. Which would be perfect for, probably, for this thing. I should play with this. Yeah, so it doesn't like shift and stuff. But yeah, I'm having a blast making these boxes. Okay, and this, Leslie, has me confused, and I'll show you guys why. Clint thought, oh, it's a cuticle nipper, or pushback thing, which I don't think it is. Does it say? they're made in China, so a lot of them are, you know, sometimes you can kind of work out a word, but, and, you know, I can see this for wax or something, but look at the spoon. It's like so, I'm barely touching it, and it's really loose. I'm thinking, what would you use a spoon that's that loose for? I was thinking like maybe glitter. Would that be too loose of a spoon, and would it like drop it all over? I don't know. Leslie, you'll have to let me know. I mean, that's not too bad. Just cracked me up. I was thinking, why is that so so thin? But Leslie, you'll have to let me know what this is, because that's the one thing I could not really identify. Then it has this, maybe hot glue. I don't know. I don't know, but that made me laugh. Cracked me up. Okay. So I got everything in here, everything put away. Mainly, I just wanted to do a short video for today, because I have had people I've had several people, probably about 5 or 10, asking me, you know, are you recovering from surgery? What's going on? And, you know, I could just go probably have the surgery and make payments for the rest of my life. But if I can be a little less stressed, and if we can get insurance, that's what we're going to try to do. And I don't feel any, like, medical issues from the cyst right now. The thing I don't know is, like I said, we had tons of people calling us yesterday because I went online. And they, I don't know if they're scam artists or not. And then we had this one lady, and she was telling us what to look for. So we're going to talk to her this afternoon, because we don't want, she said sometimes you kind of get scammed, and then you pay them all this money, and then there's no refunds. So we need to make sure that whatever we're doing, and I really liked the way that she kind of went through everything and was kind of talking to us. And so I told Clint, let's see what she has to say, because like the one lady, we talked to a man, a lady, and then this lady. But the one lady, she's like, oh, are you on any medications? And I told her the 2, and I'm on like 5. And she says, oh, okay. And then all I need is like your expected income or whatever for the year. And she didn't ask about Clint or anything like that, and that struck me weird. So now I'm like stressing because I don't want to get scammed. Do we need to go with someone local and actually go into the office? So I don't know. So, oh, there's my, I'm going to put him right here because I don't want to open this again. But Leslie, I love everything. I just adore you. I told your son I am going to make it down to Texas, and I'm going to give you the biggest hug. That box, awesome. But yeah, you like cover the inside and the outside. And then she created this one, and it's a sliding lid. And I love the little thing. That was fun to create, because you have to have a screw to go up into it. So, and then Clint saw something, he's like, oh, do it like this, and it worked. But isn't that fun? It takes a few hours to make, but I enjoyed it, and I really need something to keep my mind off my troubles. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye on this video. You'll see this on Monday. I love you guys very much, and please continue your prayers, especially for peace and calmness, and that everything will work out. I have no doubt that it will, but you know what I mean. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.